guys, welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe for you guys. It is called flanta, and if anybody has heard of the name taquitos, it's similar to a taquito, but it's made with the flour tortilla. But here's the twist on mine, so let's go ahead and get started. Over here I have some oil heating up in my cast iron skillet. Cast iron works really good for deep frying, guys. Okay, so while that's heating up, we're gonna come over here and assemble. I have 8 flour tortillas here. You can use as many as you like depending on what size of family you have. It's just me and my son today, so I'm just gonna make us 3 to 4 apiece. You want this size, the flour, or the, I'm sorry, not, yeah, they're flour, but the soft taco size. So what you're going to start here is you're going to put a piece of sliced cheddar. Make sure you get the deli cheddar, okay? Use whatever choice of meat you like. We like roast beef in a can. And your hands get a little messy, so you want to keep a paper towel on the side here. You want to break this meat up into a row. Okay, like this. Maybe a little more here. All right, now you want to dry your hands off and use whatever sauce of choice you want. We found this sauce that this brand makes, and we like the Verde. So we're going to put a shake, give it a shake, because sometimes there's some thick pieces. And you're going to put a little bit of that in there, like that. Okay, now, you are not going to roll it like a burrito. You're just going to roll it like a rolled taco. So you're going to make sure you roll it tight, like so. And if some falls out, stuff it back in there. All right, let's go ahead and do one more here to show you guys. And then I'll show you how to cook them. So here's your meat and your cheese. While I'm doing this, if you're a newcomer, don't forget to like and subscribe. I do have a YouTube page called Country Views and an Instagram, so be sure to look me up on there. And I wanted to say hello to my Country View Juniors, and thank you for watching me. All right, here's the sauce. Okay. And then you're going to tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. Now, some pieces will fall out. Okay. Take your ones. We better do one at a time here. All right, come over here, and you want to put this part down first. Set it in away from you in your oil, like that. Let's go and put this other one in. All right, guys, so I'm going to continue making these, and then when they are done, we will have a taste test. Okay, guys, so this is the finished product. You want to get a good view of it, Cam? Does those not look good or what? Now, you can dip them in anything you want, but we're going to eat them just like this because, remember, we've already put some sauce in it. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to put, let's see, let's find a cooler one here. Here we go for Cam to taste test. Cam, it's going to be hot. All right, so I'm going to take over the camera. Look how amazing and good that looks, you guys.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
It's hot, so be careful. Look how good that is, and it's cheesy.
Mm.
Can I get a thumbs up, Cam?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for visiting Country Views. Bye.